Everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how you can fix AMD Error 195 on Windows. Let's get right into it. So the error 195 usually show up when AMD can install the driver because the system isn't fully updated. The installer is corrupted, or maybe the Windows is missing required components. And the good news is usually very simple to fix. So let's start with the first method. First, you need to update Windows. So here you can open the settings, go to the Windows update, and here click on check for updates. And you need to install every update, including the optional ones. And after that, you can just restart your PC. So AMD driver often need the latest Windows components, so updating fixes this problem for many people. The next fix, you can use AMD driver Auto-Detect tool. So instead of downloading a random driver, use AMD's Auto-Detect tool. You need to go to the AMD official site. Just go to the amd.com. Here go to the resources and support. Then download the Auto-Detect and install. Run the tool and let it scan your system and install the correct driver. So this will prevent installing the wrong driver, which can trigger the error. The next phase is clean the old AMD files, because sometimes leftover files from your old driver can cause the installer to fail. So you can just here press on Windows +R on your keyboard and type app with .cpl on OK. And now you can just uninstall AMD software or Radeon software. Restart. You can also use DDU or display driver uninstalled in safe mode for a clean reset. And after cleaning everything, you can install the driver again. And the next fix, you need to also check the internet and a firewall, because AMD installer needs internet to download packages. So make sure that you connect it to the internet and your firewall or antivirus is not blocking the installer, and you can also disable the VPN if you're using one. And next one, you need to also download the correct driver manually. So if the auto tool still fails, you can go to again the AMD drivers page and enter your GPU model, whether it's RX series, Vega or Ryzen APU. You need to download the latest driver and run the installer manually. So that's how you can fix the error. And if the issue still continue, you can also comment your GPU model below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.